Thank you for listening to one of Analytics for Living's advanced Python sessions. Analytics for Living offers Python training and one-on-one coaching, use case development, and solutions to your analytics for using Python. Please visit analyticsforliving.org to enroll in a course and one-on-one use case support. In this example, we'll be walking through numpy.zeros, or creating an array of zeros in a real-life case. Recommend before you start, of course, to go back to one of our earlier sessions or join and enroll in our courses where we reviewed Python basics, data types, variables, assignment, conditional statements, relative frequencies, calculating frequencies, loops, functions, and also prior NumPy function of creating a NumPy array. So let's jump into creating an array of zeros. NumPy zeros is creating an array of zeros. The real-life example would be initializing a grayscale image before adding pixel values. First, type in the package of import numpy as np. As mentioned, np is short for numpy. The image data equals np zeros 256, 256, the data type, and the integer. The output is a 256 by 256 grayscale image with all pixels set to 0. So let's run. How this is typed is import numpy as np, the image data, and the image data. Run. Please also join the other sessions where we create additional NumPy examples.